this module, we will quickly answer the question, what are cumulative lead times in the world of material requirements planning? Cumulative lead time is a planning factor that many ERP and MRP systems calculate after all other lead times have been entered in the system. It's important to note that the cumulative lead time or total lead times can be calculated by MRP, or you can estimate a cumulative lead time and enter it into MRP or ERP. This practice is the most common, but is not the most accurate. It is always best to ensure all information in the system is accurate and let ERP or MRP do what it does best: calculate. With this in mind, the cumulative lead time is the total time needed to manufacture a product. From ordering raw materials to completing the finished product, it is essentially the sum of all the other lead times. And that's it. Cumulative lead time.